Sangsang kamay sa nginyawa ti Civil Service Commission Abra Field Office, the Certificate of Eligibility kadagiti honor graduates ti kolehiyo iti probinsya ita atawen. Pakabuklan at 212 graduates manipod iti Divine Word College of Bangued, Data Center of the Philippines, ken University of Abra tinakaawat ti certificate. Babaen ti Eligibility on Wheels program ti Civil Service Commission saan na nakasapulan nagiti honor graduates ti agturong iti regional office no diket ti CSC mismo tinangdanon kadagiti college and universities para ti panakaproseso ken panaka-release ti certificate of eligibility.
Kunami, why don't we go really on wheels? So kunada ma'am, nalaklaka nga, we start with the HGE, the honor grad, kasi mas madali yung requirements and the schools can comply immediately. So this year lang ito, some provinces, simultaneous with the graduation. They were able to provide us with the documents.
Kabayatan taktibidad, karaman pa'y anabigbig dagiti top 10 passers iti professional category ti March 8 Civil Service Exam. Kunati ahensya, daytoy ti damo a panangisayang katda daytoy.
Inggidan mi isuda ditoy nga ma-awardan itata kasi sayang mat kunami. Tapno to also encourage people watching and also listening na first time nga ma-recognize na gito na examinees tayo.
Kas ditoy the first taker ken top 4 ani Mark Ramos Bersamin ken naglipas iti kurso a Bachelor of Science in Information Technology. Numan pay saan unay ang nakasagana iti napalabas nga eksaminasyon, nakapwesto iso na iti top 10, nakagunod ti 90.61 passing rate ken namnamaen na ang maialign iso na ti civil duty.
I feel overjoyed po. I think it's another page for another journey. So, passing the civil service, professional and sub-professional, it means that we are eligible and we are one of the people who can practice real civic duty and to not only empower ourselves but to empower the whole Filipino citizens or communities through civil duties.
Tanggap ti ahensya ang mapasaya ti Eligibility on Wheels program iti masungat atawen. Amang akomodar ti panakay proseso ti aplikasyon dagiti examinees ken issuance ti Certificate of Eligibility dagiti passers. Iti masungat nga August 9 ti sumaruno a civil service exam ken 1,750 ti expected examinees. Ti University of Abra Bangued Campus ken Divine Word College of Bangued ti agserbi at testing schools. Jessica Boreta, Balitang Solid North.